Hello and welcome back to Stugan. I have been a bit better at being outside the last couple of days. But yeah, we have a lot of snow, so I have been shoveling so that we don't get snow in the shoes. Me and the girlfriend we have just finished cleaning the chicken coop, so we put all the manure on the potato field. And yeah, some just came over here, but that's mostly the cleaner stuff that they have that came on the floor before. Yeah, and the stuff that the straw and stuff from the nests we put in here, so it becomes a bit more fun for them to be outside. And the old cat door, I put that here. Sadly, I failed a bit because you needed to push from the other side when you screwed it in. And so now it's a bit wonky here. It's fine, it works, because sadly the last screw I put in was a bit destroyed. So I could barely get it in with a screwdriver. I think I can get it out again and fix it, but yeah, I'll do that later at some point. Here in the darkness, we have the chickens. Here they are. Hello. We gave them lots of goodies today. Sadly, some of my lingonberry jam got old because I did the raw stirred lingonberry jam instead of cooking it. My mistake, because I thought it would last longer because it's lingonberries, and usually you can have jars of that for years, but yeah, you need to cook it apparently for that to work. Here we have Linnea. She always comes to say hello and wants to see if we have some more goodies. Got a lot of parsley from my workplace, like a whole big bag of parsley, and they have been eating that the last couple of days. I think this is the last of it, because we gave them quite a feast here now after we cleaned. So hopefully they don't spread it out and just make it all dirty so they don't eat it. Yeah, now close. Get away from the door. Yeah. Yeah. And since we cleaned that part of the room, the shed, now it's a little bit more messy in here. Of course, temporarily. So yeah. But I have put up this magnetic strip to put all kinds of tools on, because I thought that would be nice. At last I took in all the summer tools, shovels and stuff, a bit late, but yeah, and I made this little tool rack for screwdrivers from a old bit of wood. Sadly, I should have dried it before I started screwing it, but yeah, meh. So it broke a bit, but it's fine. It works. It works. It's fine. Oh yeah, I need to I need to turn off. Got that. I need to turn off this again, so I don't forget. Let's see. Yeah, done with that. But yeah, I started. I have been a bit more. I have thought about starting to do some blacksmithing again. So that's nice. So I have started with a bit of preparation for that. It's a bit meh to do it in the winter, especially now when everything is covered in snow. But I do have my anvil over there, and the forge here with a bunch of crap on it that has frozen stuck to it. And I don't know where the second piece of metal plate that was here covering this hole. Not sure where that went. But it wasn't crucial. It's just a place to unload stuff and maybe keep a bit of coal. But yeah, I will move this so it comes over there, and then we'll probably go inside again. It's starting to get dark, and I have done enough for a day. Because here we keep it slow and relaxed most of the time. But everything seems to be working. Otherwise, no problem. The shed is still standing, and it's going well. There is a bit of it's a bit deformed on the back because of moisture, I guess. But yeah, with that should be fixing itself when the winter is over. Not sure if you can see it. It's mostly in the middle. Maybe we didn't put in enough screws, or if we even could. I'm not sure. Meh. But yeah, I think that's enough. So we will see next time. One of my neighbors said she would let me take down some saplings at her place, so I can continue on that fence later in the spring. So that's gonna be nice. And I'm thinking of maybe having all the smithing stuff outside even later, because it will be very dirty if I have it in there, and I have to do a chimney and stuff. Yeah, it will become very sooty and dirty, and then I can't have nice bits of wood and stuff in there, because it will get dirty. Yeah, I can see it will have a much nicer feeling to have it outside anyway. I will put up a roof here, maybe some half walls made of saplings, make it look a bit medieval, Yeah, well, as far as you can do that, since it's the rest isn't. But give it a bit of a medieval Viking feel, I guess. That is one of the feelings I have right now, at least with that. So we will see. Yeah, but that's enough. 10 minutes. I'll see you next time.